Hey, 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 hey! Caddyman's back again with another great dish. This is red barbecue sauce. And we actually call it, it's actually a slaw, not a sauce. But we actually use barbecue sauce on it. I mean, we make all sorts of kinds of slaw, but this one is kind of special because you can put it on sandwiches, you can put it on hot dogs, you can put it on hamburgers. You can have it as a side dish. It's a condiment, what it is. Not a condom, a condiment. Got that? Just want to make sure there's no mistakes. Okay. After we're done, you know what we actually do? We actually have a slaw bowl. My mother left this to me. This was from Tupperware 50 years ago. Can you believe? The only thing that goes in here is slaw. You can ask any of my kids. They'll tell you. Slaw, slaw, slaw. Kind of like blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so we're going to start up. We do have a bag of slaw mix in here. Ta-da! Now I'm going to mix up the mixture before we pour it on. We have half a cup of barbecue sauce. And as you notice, I'm using Hard Knocks barbecue sauce because I like it. Right there. Okay. Get every bit of that out you can. Okay. 2 teaspoons of, would have been 2 teaspoons, but since I spilled half of it, of apple cider vinegar. Then it is a tablespoon of yellow mustard. Maybe I won't spill this one. And sugar, tablespoon of it. Now I'm going to stir it all up. Maybe I won't spill any more. Maybe I will. That's the one thing about old Caddyman. He makes every dish that is easy and sloppy. Okay, get these out of the way. Put my slaw up here. Dump 1 onion into it. Gotta have onion, you know. Spice of life. Pour this over it. Get all that stuff out of there because it is so darn good. And then you stir it up. I know it looks like there's not a lot in there, but a little of this goes a long way. And so you make sure that you get it completely into the slaw. And then you put it in your slaw bowl. But before you do, pepper and salt, as usual, to your taste buds. See how that is mixing up very easily in there? This is fantastic. Please try this. You'll love it. You'll be happy. You'll thank me. You'll say, you know what? That Caddyman knows what he's talking about. You know why? Because my wife Angie has proven recipes. Okay, come by and see me. Remember, don't fly. Please drive. And you can get all of our videos on Caddyman 417 on YouTube. So I will see you soon. Bye now.